Did you know 90% of new dads feel clueless about burping? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Your partner feeds the baby, and guess what? Now it's your turn to shine. Let's talk burping techniques, dads. First up, the classic shoulder burp. Hold your baby against your shoulders, support their head, and gently pat their back. Next, try the sitting position. Sit your baby on your lap, support their chest and head, and rub or pat their back. Or go for the tummy time burp. Lay your baby on your lap, tummy down, and rub their back. Remember, gentle and patient wins the race. If one method doesn't work, try another. Bonus tip, keep a cloth handy. Trust me, you'll thank me later. So there you go, dads. Burping doesn't have to be a mystery. You've got this. Happy burping!